What if Arduino could control an electrical device, just like a real wall switch? Let's find out. Today, in day 16 of our 37 Sensors Challenge, we're using a relay module with Arduino UNO to control an LED automatically.
Need an Arduino UNO board, a single-channel relay module,
breadboard, a TBS cable and jumper wire,
a breadboard, an LED for testing relay control. Now, let's move to the wiring connections. Now let's connect the relay module with Arduino UNO. Connect the VCC pin of the relay module to the 5-volt pin of Arduino. Connect the GND pin to the ground pin of Arduino. The input pin, or IN pin, of the relay module is connected to digital pin 7 of Arduino. Now for LED testing, connect the LED through the relay output terminals using the breadboard so the relay can control the LED by switching it on and off. After completing the connections, check the wiring properly. Now let's upload the code. First, we define relay pin 7 for controlling the relay module. Inside the setup function, the relay pin is set as an output. When we type on in the serial monitor, the relay turns on, and when we type off, the relay turns off. The Arduino also prints the current relay status on the serial. Now let's test the project. Open the serial monitor and type on. You will notice the relay activates, and the LED connected through the relay turns on. Now type off. The relay switches off, and the LED turns off. This is how a single-channel relay module works with Arduino UNO using